Hey guys, in this video I will give you a full review of the platform Toobit. How good can you leverage trade, open long and shorts on the platform. I will show you everything you need to know in this video. If you want to create an account on Toobit, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you will automatically be able to get the best sign up bonus possible. You can actually get up to $9,210 of bonuses. The first $10 you can easily get by just signing up and then transferring at least $10 to your futures trading account. I will show you all of that in just a bit. Also, if you're using the copy trading functionality, up to $200 of losses will completely be covered, and the last up to $9,000 you can get by depositing and trading these amounts, and then you can see how much of a bonus you will get. If you've used the link from the description, you can get all of these bonuses. You just have to enter your details right here or use one of these buttons and then you're ready to go. So the first thing you always have to do is, of course, deposit money. I will show you the process right now. To deposit crypto, you simply go here to deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. You can pretty much deposit anyone that you want. You can then go here to network, select Bitcoin, for example, and then you will get your deposit address right here and deposit within seconds without any fees. It works very, very well. Same, of course, goes for your fiat deposit. You can also do that, but you have to be verified to do that. So you have to go here to your identification. And then have basically the KYC verification, because if you don't have that, you cannot deposit with fiat. You can use the platform totally without being verified. You can deposit crypto and use the platform, but if you want to deposit fiat, you simply go here and you have to be verified for that. Then you can enter here your fiat currency, any one of those that you can see here. Type in the amount, for example, $500. Then you can choose the cryptocurrency that you want to receive, because you cannot store any fiat currencies on the platform. You basically have to choose a cryptocurrency which it will be converted to, and then you can keep that on the platform here, for example, US dollar Tether. And then you can choose one of these different payment providers. And you can also see down here what payment methods they offer. It will take 10 to 20 minutes. Click on buy just here and run through the process of the given third-party service, and then you will have your crypto on the platform here. You can always check if it's already there by just going up here to your assets, click on it, and then you will see it should appear here on your spot account. To trade with it, you need it in your futures account, so you simply have to go here to transfer, choose from your spot to your futures account, choose US dollar Tether, select all and confirm, and then you can trade with it. And then once you have it in your futures account, you can then start leverage trading with it. Now I want to show you the leverage trading platform as well. You simply go here to derivatives, click on USDT perpetual futures, and you will go to this page right here. So I will show you everything you need to know. First of all, here you can choose your trading pair. You can see all of these cryptocurrency that you can leverage trade here. You simply have to click on it and then you can trade it in here. Let's stick with Bitcoin for now. You can see the price chart down here. You can also switch it to trading view, which is really nice. On the right side, you will see the order book, selling orders and buying orders in the market currently right here. And down here, you can also see your open positions, open orders, or your history. Here on the right, you will see all of your assets that you have. So you can transfer them as well here if you want to do so, or deposit some other crypto, and you will have it here. And up here, you can open and close your positions, set leverage, and so on, which I will show you right now. Let's quickly talk a little bit about the fees. So first of all, you have the typical funding fees. You can see them up here. You can see what's the current rate and when they will occur. These are pretty standard and typical compared to other exchanges. And then you also, of course, have, secondly, the typical order fees. You can check them here. If you are below $50,000 and have a lower trading volume than these, which you probably have at the beginning, then you will have these fees, 0.06% for both market maker, so by using a limit order, and market taker by using a market order. So the same fees for both position types. Fees are absolutely fine. 0.06% is definitely not a high fee. I compared it to other exchanges. There maybe are some with a little bit lower maker fee, but it doesn't really matter because most of the time you're using a market order anyways. So 0.06% is a very good fee and absolutely fine. So let's actually open a position. You can do that by going here on the right, selecting a margin type. I would just leave it at isolated, select your leverage. You can use up to 100x, which is also really nice, really high. I'm going to go with 5x for now. And then I can choose limit or market order. Let's go for market, type in any position type, for example, $100, and you will see this is always margin the amount of your own capital that you're using for this trade. So in this case, I'm using $20 times 5 equals $100 of position size in total. The numbers don't match exactly because it's calculated in Bitcoin behind it, as you can see right here. But it pretty much, it's fine to use like that. Of course, you can also use the slide controller and put it, for example, to 100%. Then as you can see here, you will use all of your capital that you have on your account. And then you could also add a take profit and stop loss here, but I will also show you how you can do that later on. Just click on buy long. You can see your entire position size again. So my $120 times 5 equals $600 roundabout for position size. Click on open. And then you will have your long position opened. You can see it right here. You can see it in green that it's a long position, 5x leverage, entire position size. You can see your profit or loss that you currently have, your entry price, current price, liquidation price. So if you don't have a stop loss, which we will set in just a bit, but if you don't have one and the price goes down to $23,600, we would lose our own margin, which is this, which is basically our own capital in this trade, which is the $123 that we've chosen at the beginning. And now, lastly, I also want to show you take profit and stop loss. It's really nice to set it. You just have to click on here, type in the amount. For example, let's go and $20,000 to $32,000. Let's go for that. $50 of profit we would make at that point. And let's go for $29,000, a $9 loss. Click on confirm. And then you have set them up right here. You can also see them if you go to open orders and take profit and stop loss right here. You will see them here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can edit them at any point, and this is how the take profit and stop loss will work. You can of course close the position at any point if you just go here to market, choose how much you want to close, and then you're out of the position again. So this is pretty much how the positions work. Opening, closing, same works for short, of course. Yeah, overall, definitely a very good exchange, very simple, great UI. You have everything you need to know. You can see everything you need to know. One thing that's a little bit annoying is that you cannot see the line where you enter the position and where your take profit and stop loss is directly in the chart right here. That's a little bit missing. But other than that, the fees are totally fine. You can also switch here to trading view. You can see down here everything you need to know, set take profit immediately and close it. So definitely overall, a definitely good exchange. Don't forget to create an account on Toobit by using the link down from the video description to get the up to $9,210 of bonuses, the best sign-up bonus possible. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.